Okay. All right, guys, I'm back. So while I was gone, I went in and I filled in some more letters. I'm going to get rid of my picture here so you can see. So I filled in the head, the neck, this little orange back of the neck. I made some pretty long penguin arms, some little penguin-y feet with some different colors depending on what I saw in the image. And I'm just going to show you some final finishing touches that I might add to my penguin. You could stop here. You could do a lot more. You could completely have a different style. But I think that this reads penguin pretty well, if I do say so myself. But I want to add in a little bit more value. So I'm going to open back up my picture so I can see what I'm doing. First, I want to add a little bit of a highlight to my belly of my penguin. So I'm going to select the belly area. I'm going to use my quick selection tool to select everything just in that layer. So see how I selected everything and then it snapped to everything that was visible in that layer. I'm now going to go over to my brush. I'm going to grab a light color, make sure that my brush is really, really soft, so the opposite of hard. And then I'm going to just kind of add a little bit of a highlight in there, just because I think it'll make it look rounder. Yeah, that's pretty cute. Okay, what else am I going to do? Ooh, I know. I'm going to see how this, there's like a gradient on this back part of the neck. Right here, it's light and then it gets dark. I'm going to do that too. So first I have to find my layer. And this is an excellent example of why labeling your layers can help so that you don't have to search through all these penguins. Oh, there it is. I'm going to select this. Deselect that. Just select this. Okay. Now I'm going to use that gradient tool, which I think is pretty cool. It says dark because I want it to be over here, so I'm going to grab this light color with my eyedropper that's over here. Okay, like there. Good enough. Go back to my gradient. Make sure that it's starting with that color and then going to nothing. When you see this checkerboard pattern, that means there's nothing there. Something like this would actually put in white. This means nothing. And then I'm going to, with making sure that's selected, create a little bit of a gradient going up, just like you see happening on the neck of the penguin. Yeah. Maybe I see there's a little bit of a highlight over here. Maybe I'll do that over there too. Finding my penguin neck. I think it was right after this one. Okay, yep, this one. I'm going to select, grab. It's these little extra details that really make things pop. Beautiful. Let me see. Yeah. All right, and now I know that I said to use only text, but I kind of want this little area right in here. Oh, no. Okay. Just this little pink area to be in my final, instead of making that be made out of penguin. Yeah, I guess that'll be fine. I'm going to make a new layer with that selected. I'm going to grab this color and then I'm just going to fill this in out of that color. So now when I deselect, I've made my own little pink strap. I'm going to back right on out of there so I can see it from afar, see how it's looking. Voila! What do we think? That looks pretty good. Maybe you want to put a different color in the background. Maybe you want to make a gradient in the background. Let's do that. Start here. Since I have my background layer selected, make a gradient. Starting from the bottom, going up. Nice. Penguin. Maybe I want to make it even darker, so I'll do a couple on top of itself. Excellent. All right. I am pretty happy with this, so I'm going to File, Save. I don't want to make any more changes, so I'm going to change this to a JPEG. I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm going to call it Penguin MK for Miss Knight. Save. And then when it's over here, I will drag it. Where is it? There it is. I'm going to drag it right into my Google Drive. All right, thank you so much for paying attention. I hope that you are excited to start or have been following along and have made your own animal or person or thing during this tutorial. Happy photoshopping.